welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley for those of you who are watching for the first time. And for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I am back with another hair tutorial. But for today's video, I am doing something a little bit different. If you guys have watched my hair tutorials in the past, you would know that I do all my hairstyles on my natural hair, but I've recently been experimenting with adding hair, and today's video is going to be the result of that. So if you guys want to see how I did this long braid with added hair, keep watching. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, go ahead and check out my last video. It was a vacation outfit ideas video. So if you guys are going on vacation soon and you need some inspo, go ahead and check out that last video and it will definitely help you out. If you guys haven't noticed, I did get my lashes done. I absolutely love them. So if you guys are on the fence about whether or not you want to get lashes, I personally say go for it, girl. First of all, they look amazing. Second of all, you never have to worry about putting mascara on in the morning or any of that. And third, you literally wake up looking bomb. Like, wake up and go. I just absolutely love them. So for our next video, I will be sharing with you guys my lash experience. I did film me getting them done, and I also will be answering some questions that you guys have about lash extensions. So feel free to comment down below any questions you might have, or you can also message me on Instagram if you guys have any additional questions. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I am starting on slightly damp hair because it's just a lot easier to work with. So for today, I'm actually using the clear Eco Styler gel, but it still has a strong hold of 10. And I'm just going to apply it to all the sides of my hair. Next, I'm just going to take my hard brush and I'm going to brush my hair up and back just to get it super slick to be put in a ponytail. And I do use 3 hair ties just to make sure that my ponytail is very tight and secure. Now I'm just going to use a toothbrush and brush down any flyaways. So for today, I am using the Expressions Pre-Stretched Hair in the shade 1B. I do really like the pre-stretched hair because it just saves you a lot of time because you don't have to worry about teasing the ends. So first I'm just going to go ahead and brush out the hair. I am using half of a section of hair, not the whole thing. Now I'm just going to start the braid. I just split my hair into 3 sections like I normally do and just begin braiding. When I get halfway of my natural hair, I'm going to go ahead and add the braiding hair in. I am doing the 2-strand method where you lay the section over 2 strands of the braid that you're doing, and then you slowly add hair into the 3rd section. You guys will see what I mean as I continue braiding. Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time. This does take a lot of practice, guys, so don't be upset when you don't get it the first time. This is actually only my 3rd time doing it, so I still haven't perfected it completely. So just don't stress the first time you do it. As you guys can see, I have added sections of hair into the 3rd strand, so now I'm just going to continue braiding normally. If there are lumps and stuff, don't really worry about it because once you add the string at the end, it's not very noticeable. We got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Once you get to the bottom, just secure it with a black rubber band, and there you have it. If you want a more seamless transition, I would definitely advise you to blow dry your hair, but I just like to do it on my natural hair. The braid is very stiff, so you definitely have to dip it in hot water. So as I'm boiling my water, I'm just going to go ahead and do my edges. I do like to use the clear Eco Styler gel when I'm doing hairstyles that are meant to last more than one day, because I feel like it just holds better and it doesn't flake. And now my edges are done. My hair looks so slick. I absolutely love it. Next, I'm just gonna take my hot water. I do leave my braid in for about 30 seconds. And just make sure you have a towel ready to go, y'all, because that joint be hot when it comes out. Like, I almost burned myself. Now I'm just going to go ahead and take my string. You can purchase this at any beauty supply store. First, I'm just going to wrap it around the top of the braid just to hide the hair ties. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, every night, every day, promise will. And then once I secured, I'm just going to cut off any of the excess string. Now I'm going to do the crisscross design down the braid. So first I'm going to tie it in a knot at the top and then cross the string every time I get to the front of the braid. You guys will see what I mean as I continue. And here is the finished look. This hairstyle is actually super easy once you get it, and very cute, and it'll last you about 2 to 3 days. Alright guys, this concludes my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you guys have enjoyed my giveaway, I definitely will advise you to watch my last video because all the details are in that video, and I will be relisting all the giveaway information in the description box. Also, I will be choosing the winner in about another week. I just want to give more people some time to enter, so definitely make sure you guys go enter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Time, I am stressing out.